Hello friends, a very good day to everyone. Today I have with me a DIY tool which I have bought from Amazon for my DIY projects. So this came in this package and I will show you what the product is. So this is the Bosch GSR120 Li drilling machine, cordless drilling machine. So this comes in a nice plastic case. It's very robustly built, and it houses the drilling machine as well as a few other components which I will open in a while and show you. I have already done the unboxing. I have already opened this box. This seal which you see here, I have already broken it, but this comes sealed, and there is another seal on the side which at this moment I have already opened, but this came sealed. So if you're buying this product online, please ensure that this seal is not broken when you get the product. But since I have already opened this box, so I have broken this seal that was there on the box. So let's quickly open. Before I open, let me walk you through on the box, how the box is. So it's a very sturdy box, and the drilling machine is housed very nicely inside, and it should keep the drill protected, as well as it will be easy for us to carry around because it has a carry handle here, easy for storage as well. So let me open and show you what comes inside. So you have these hinges on the side which you can just plug out like this, and it opens up. And when you open, we have a couple of documents here. This is the list of service centers, and we also have the warranty card. Now the reason why I bought the Bosch as against the Black & Decker or any other brand is because Bosch has a wide coverage in terms of their service network in India, and they also have a large manufacturing facility in Bangalore. So that's the reason why, a very trusted brand, wide service network. So that was the reason why I opted for Bosch. And obviously the company is a renowned company, and the products it manufactures are very good and trustworthy. So along with this service center details and the warranty card, then we have a couple of other documents, which is just the instruction manual. So I would suggest you guys to go through it if you want to use this product safely. Let me keep this aside, and then we have the main drill. I'll come back to that later. But inside the box we also have a couple of screw sets or screw head sets, and the connector where you can just put this screws on the top, and this goes on the drill bit. So let me keep this also aside. And next we have the drilling bit. So we have a set of drilling bits for drilling in wood and metal. Know that this drill only works on wood and metal surfaces. It should not be used for drilling in concrete surfaces because the motors inside are not built to drill in concrete. So the drill bit that we got is only for drilling wood and metal. So we have the wood drilling bit. The maximum drilling bit is for 10 mm. It can support up to maximum of 10 mm drilling bits, and we have various sizes which came in the box. This also comes in two variants. One is with a single battery. I bought the one which has a dual battery, so I just thought it was safe to buy it with two batteries, in case if I have any problem with the other one, I would have a spare one to work with. And then we have the charger with a 2-pin socket, and you have to just plug this in, and the LED light with blink once you power on. And here you have a couple of indicators. So this is just to show the LED light. So it shows if once you insert, the LED light will blink, and when it is blinking in a sequence, that means it's charging. And when the LED light is not blinking and is switched on continuously, that means the battery is fully charged. Now the battery is a 12 volt lithium ion battery, 2 ampere battery. It also supports the 10.8 volt battery. So I'll come to the drill itself. So this is how the drill looks like. It's the Bosch Professional GSR120 Li. So let me walk you through around the drill. So obviously we have the trigger here, a nice grip, and the machine weighs approximately about 1 kilo. So not that heavy, it's lightweight. And with the trigger we also have the directional buttons. If you want to drill in or drill out, then we have this button here, and if we press it this side, then this is for reverse and this is for forward. So if we keep this in the middle, then the trigger is locked, so you'll not be able to press the trigger. But if you press it on either side, then the drill machine will work. So we also have an LED light here, so if you're working in a low light condition, then this will help us see the area where we are drilling. This also has 2 speeds. So speed 1 is mainly for your tightening screws, so this ideally should not be used while drilling. And with speed 1 we have to also use the torque settings. So we have torque settings from 1 all the way till 20. So depending upon how fast or how slow you want to tighten the screw, then you will set the drill at speed 1 at the first gear and use the torque accordingly. But if you want to use this for drilling, then you will set the gear at 2, where this torque will not work, so it gets locked here. So this torque setting is to be used in combination with the first gear, but with the second gear this doesn't work, so it is just for straight drilling. And this is the head. And to tighten this drill bit, so let me take one of the drill bits and put it inside. So unlike a wired drill, a normal drill or a hammer drill, this doesn't have the key to tighten and loosen. The process of removing and installing the drill bit can be done without any key. You can just put this inside. We just need to ensure that we set the head of the drill as per the size of the drill bit, and we need to press it inside. So for tightening it up, we will set the drill to forward gear, and we will just hold this, and accordingly the drill bit gets tightened. In order to loosen this, then you will set the gear at reverse, and you will just hold this a little tight, press the trigger, and it will come loose. So it's very convenient, unlike the normal wired drills where you have to use an Allen key sort of key. But here it's very convenient. You just set the reverse and forward gear accordingly to loosen and tighten the drill bits. So let me drill into some wood to show how this drilling machine works. So I have this piece of wood about an inch thick, or I think 1.5 inch thick. So let's drill some holes using this Bosch drill. So that's it, guys. This is the Bosch Professional GSR120.li model, and all the accessories that comes along: the charger, the screw heads, the drilling bits for wood and metal drilling, an extra battery, and along with the carry case and some of the instructions. So I hope you like the video. If you want to purchase this drill, I would leave the Amazon buying link in the description below. So if you use the link to buy, it will really help support the channel. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.